Right, today we're setting off from Bowness and we're going to do Brant Fell, which is about 600 and something foot. So setting off for the caravan. There it is. Got Alison and Indy, there they are.
Hello.
And we're going to head up somewhere up here, over the back of there. So it's a canny day for it. Not a bad walk. So we've got to go up through some houses first, and then after that we should be on the fell. So we're looking at Brant Fell and maybe School Knott. We're not sure about School Knott yet. We're just coming down into Bowness on Windermere, and I think I need this road going off to the right. That's it. Brant Fell Road, that's it over there. Not used to starting walks on roads like this, but there'll be a path at the end of it. Well, that's the end of the road, so we're through this gate and then further up and off to the right, I think. So as you can see by that, we're on the Dales Way, and we'll be on it. If we go to School Knott, we'll be on it up to there. Nice view starting to open up down Windermere. Well, this little one here is called Post Knott, which we've just detoured slightly off our route. We'll have a look and then crack on. Well, that's a bit of a view from Post Knott, not much of one. Windermere with a steamer going down it. So I think we'll just crack on.
It must be somewhere in between you and I.
Looking in the other direction, we've got Brant Fell just here. Okay, that's Brant Fell. Well, that's Brant Fell summit in front, and I don't think there's a summit cairn as such. Just a bunch of rocks. So we'll head up on the top of that to the highest point and claim that one. Well, I guess this is the summit. Have to go through this gate. There we go. And we're on the top. Well, actually the highest bit is just to my right. Just there. So we'll claim this as the summit. There we go. That's it. Right, that's us on Brant Fell summit at the great height of 620. At the great height of 629 feet. Took us all of maybe an hour to walk up here from
Not even that.
Bowness, which is a couple of miles down the road there. Well, it's a lovely little summit, great views right round. South Lakeland is really a bonny area, even though it's not very high. But it's a good place to wander around after you've completed the main Wainwrights, and then knock off some of the outlying fells. I mean, we did one the other day over there, which I can see, Gummerhow, just up here somewhere. That ridge there behind Kendal, and that's all outlying fells. So there's plenty to do yet.
And then into the Langdales.
The cracking view up the lake there to the top to Ambleside, and Fairfield just here, and the Langdales over here. Bowfell there, Crinkles next to it on the left, Esk Pike to the right of it. It's great views, fabulous. Coniston old man just here. Brilliant. Anyway, we've got School Knott over there somewhere. I'm not sure which one it is, but we're going to head off over there, and that's another Wainwright outline fell. So this is outline fell number 2, Brant fell. Right, we're just coming down off Brant fell, down a little path, and the Dales Way, which we left at the other side, is just at the bottom here. So once we go on that, pretty straightforward walk towards School Knott. When we branch off it to the left and go up onto the Knott. Now there's a Dales Way right below us. I'm trying to dodge routes here before I go arse over tit. Right, I'll switch off. So, after consulting with a map, this isn't the Dales Way, so my mistake. It's just a bit of a bridle path. This leads onto a main road, a side road, small road, and we join the Dales Way at a place called, I think it's Cleabar Road. This was just a mile or so away. So we'll join the road, turn right, onto another road, turn right again, and then Cleabar, turn left, and we're on the Dales Way. Never been here before, so it's a nice spot. Always said the Southern Lakes, South Lakes was nice. Easy walking after the Wainwrights. Right, we just come off the main road onto this bit footpath here, and I think this is now the Dales Way. I'm not sure. One thing's for certain, we'll be on it in a minute if this isn't it. Right, well, having just checked them up, this is the Dales Way. Lovely. Right, we've just met 2 Yorkies from Yorkshire here. And they've actually just on the last leg of the Dales Way, they've walked from Ilkley, which is 80, well apparently the sign says Bowness 82 miles, but in Bowness it says Ilkley 81 miles. So, but anyway, these two,
Hello!
Hi guys!
They're just about to finish the Dales Way from Ilkley to Bowness on Windermere, no mean feat. So they've done good.
Four sore feet.
Yeah, worth it, and it's been lovely meeting you guys.
So, great stuff. So there they go. They've done good, and they're going to be on my YouTube channel.
Oh, brilliant!
Yeah, great. So good on them too. I don't know the names. I couldn't go near them because of social distancing and all that sort of thing. But 81 mile, or 82 mile, whatever. And they've come via Sedberg, Ribblehead, and they've walked all the way. I don't know whether I could do it actually, not every day. Something worth looking at, isn't it? Another challenge. Right. Right, well that's a tarn below School Knott. So I think we're just going to have a break here, if we can find a sheltered spot behind this wall in front of us, and then we'll make our way onto the top and then back down into Bowness and see if we can find some sort of liquid refreshment or something. Good idea, eh? Well, we're having a nice little bait stop in the shelter of this dry stone wall. If I poke my head just over there, There's a really cold wind blowing, but it's really warm here, so it's nice. Sat down here, and we've had corned beef butties, a bit of pork pie, some lime drizzle cake, and a dark chocolate Kit Kat. She's a grand lass, she's our lass.
I certainly am.
There's Indy, he's eaten all his food, and he's had a drink, so we're all happy.
So we're going back with nothing, aren't we?
Yeah. So after this, we'll get packed up and we'll School Knott Summit's about 50 yards that way, I think. So we'll get on the top of there, claim that, and then we're heading down into Bowness for a little walker's reward, I think. Well, that's School Knott ahead. So a few more yards. I think that's the top. There could be a high bit just behind it, but no my luck, there will be. Okay, that's us on the summit of School Knott. No summit cairn again, just this rock here, which I guess is the highest point. So I'm just going to stick my mitt on that, like that. That's it. Second Wainwright outline fell of the day, and our third one we've done. Right, that's us, School Knott, at 760 feet. Pretty windy over here, so we're going to get back down into Bowness. But that's our second Wainwright of the day, and our second outlying Wainwright fell of the day, and the third one we've done. So we're starting off quite nicely at the moment.
Nice easy walks.
Nice easy walks in the southern part of the Lake District. There's Brant fell over there, just here where we've walked from, and great views from up here right down the lake with Bowness down below. Langdale's over there, brilliant. Yep, I can even see Scarfell up here. Okay, that's it, on our way down. So we're just heading down a little forest track off School Knott into a place called, or an area called Heathwaite, which is just above Bowness. Oh, there's somebody there. Right, that's us back in Bowness. Entering the top end of the town on the Windermere side. Right, that's us at the Angel Inn in Bowness on Windermere, which is up there. So we've come for the Walker's Reward, which is down there. So that's the end of that. Wainwright number 3, or outlying Wainwright number 3. So, cheers. Lovely stuff. There's Indy. Who's this here? He's walked all the way around, about 6 miles, so it's not too bad. So see you next time. I don't know which one it is, but I'll check it out and see you when we do it. Bye. So this is Bowness. Cracking little town. That's a hike with a difference, isn't it? There she is. We're nearly home.